Okay, I'm going to show you how to navigate your personal finance class. First thing you need to do when you get in is come down here and you click on Chapter 1. Once you're in here, this little link right here will give you a link to the old textbook, which is exactly the same as the new textbook, just different pictures and such. But you want to click in here to 1.1 and find out what the assignment is. It says complete even questions 2 through 24 and number 25 on pages 97 through 99. Okay, so we got that, so let's go back out to the home page. And this is the actual new textbook. You click on this book and you open it up. It takes a little bit here. Okay, once you get it here, you click on the student edition and then the ebook. Okay, so it said I was already on page 97. You may be at the very beginning. So you'll go right down here and click and type in 97. Now this brings you to the textbook, and this is what the stuff that you need to read through, learn about, look at the examples, and then let's move to the next page. Oh, my session is expired. Let's try that again. Let's reload it. Alright, so this is the first page again. So if you open this up and then go down here, this is what I was telling you about. You type in the page number, it'll bring you in. Okay, so here's page 97, and I click this. Okay, and it said 2 through 24 even. So the first question then was back here on this page, right here. Okay, so number 2 right there. You'll do that, and what I would recommend is that you work through and do all the problems on a piece of paper. Once you get everything done, then you'll go back to the class here, click the home, and now we're going to go in and submit your assignment. Okay, so you go back in here to Chapter 1, back into where we started. Okay, once you're in here now, once you go in, you'll see, okay, here's number 2. So you type in your answer for number 2. Make sure that you follow really close to the instructions of what the question's asking. If it's in terms of money, you would type something like 54.30. Okay, if it was in terms of money. You want to make sure that you understand that, because if you leave it as that, it will be marked wrong. In terms of money, we're the nearest cent. Okay, make sure you follow and read the instructions for each question, because it should tell you how to answer each question. So then once you've inputted all of your answers here, you just hit the submit button and it'll take you in or show that it's been submitted. That sends it to me, then I will take a look at it, or it may be computer graded and it'll just grade it for you and tell you how many you got right or wrong.